So we had a customer who had a loved one pass away, and they asked us to pick up and pack some groceries. Some were picked up from family member house, but the bulk of it was picked up from quite a few stores. And we normally only would go to one store for a customer, but we did this as a favor.
Yeah, playing Tetris at grocery. Playing Tetris at grocery is fun. It's a different kind of fun. It's a little bit different from boxes, but nevertheless fun. I decided to forego the decontainer and just pack it onto a pallet. I'll probably wrap it up in black wrap, or I'll probably put cardboard around it to protect the groceries first. Just put a thin layer of cardboard around it and across the top. Then I'll wrap it up. I'll probably clear wrap it instead of black wrap it anyways.
For those who think that we only do small package, you would be amazed by the things that we do. Have you ever tried to fit a square peg in a round hole? That's what you would be doing if you put these things in a barrel. You see the two big cooking oil right there. There's over 200 pounds of rice. This is the 9-night special. So in the end, we decided just to wrap it in clear plastic to make it visible, giving customs less work so they don't have to strip off the side. They could just strip the top and dig from the top. And this customer got a bang for their buck as far as getting groceries and things with big rice. This is over like 275 pounds of rice. Getting high quality grocery at reasonable rate to give their loved one a good and proper send off.